Hello and welcome back to another video on Friends Car Repair Corner. So today, this has been a video I've been wanting to do for quite a while actually. One I've had on my list of things that I'd like to do to my Mondeo, and it is a back box delete. So basically what that means is, where at the moment you can't even really see my exhaust, but there's a muffler, so like a box, that makes everything quiet. This is then basically replaces that. So there will be some cutting involved. I have got my my recirculating saw that I can use for that. That will make things a lot easier, or you could use an exhaust cutter. But yeah, been looking forward to it. Here's a twin exit, and it also has the clamp as well that I'll need. So yeah, let's go and get this then out the front. Before we do that, I'll get a before sound and after for when we actually get this installed. So let's go get it installed. Okay, so the tools that you're going to need are going to be a reciprocating saw, a 13mm socket or spanner, and a wire brush just to brush over the exhaust. Right, so putting that up against here, I think it's like about there, but I'm going to cut it here just in case this bit needs to go inside, because I've never done this before. They both kind of look the same diameter. I'm hoping it's going to work, but yeah, so I'm just going to cut it a little bit further up than back because I don't want to lose too much. So that's going to be my cut line there. There we go, now I've got it cut. Now let's see if we can slot the exhaust on top. Right, okay. So, trimmed it back just a little bit on here, and to make it, more of an even edge. This actually goes over the exhaust, okay? So I've slotted that over, as you can see there. The original exhaust is going through that. I now need to tighten this clamp down, okay? I have put it in the rubber, and I think I've lined it up. So yeah, just going to tighten it up now. Okay, that is the exhaust now all done and tightened up. I'm quite happy with the sound of that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you're not subscribed, then please do subscribe, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye.